Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So something a little bit different. So all these enders are potentially coins that I want to keep. So I thought we'd do a bit of a different roll hunt today. So this one here, I had to peel it back a little bit, has a 2019, so it's probably going to be a one of the Mr. Squiggle series. Who knows? I just kept these aside because they could be 2015s, but we'll keep them aside and have a look. That one's got a poppy on the top of it. That one there, well, what is that? A New South Wales state coin. We've got a Marbo coin there. What's this one? Where did I keep that? Oh, it's a 2017, so it could be a Marbo. So I kept that one. This is a 1966 20-cent piece, so could be a Wavy. What's this one? Oh, it's a 50-cent roll. So I kept that one aside because it could be a double bar. Kept that one aside. I had to have a 10-cent roll in here. So I'll keep that one. And what's this one? A dollar roll. Oh yeah, it's a 2019 coin as well. So that was a reason why that one is in here. So we'll get through these and we'll see what we come out with, if we come out with anything extra than what we already know about. But yeah, it's might as well start with this Marbo 50-cent roll. Let's see how we go. And there's our Marbo there. I can already see another Marbo in there, so we're off to a good start. Double Marbos. Very nice. Let's see what else we can find in here. Let's check this for a double bar, which it's not. 2018. Nope. 2017, but nothing special. I'll check if this is a wide date. No, it's not a wide date. 81. And a few more to come. And 2018 to finish that roll off. So we've got 2 coins so far. Alright, let's do a dollar roll. So this is the one with 100 year of Anzac on the end. And let's grab that first. And, oh, just chucked away a dollar coin still in there. I'll get that out soon. Alright, what do we got? Oh, it's a 2014, so not a keeper. Let's grab that one there out. Oh, yep. Saw that, that was the other ender. Oh, had a hard life. Let's grab a few. No. Alright, I'm just going to pause for a moment, clean up. Alright, let's keep moving. We've got a poppy on the end there, so we will be keeping that one. Let's see if there's anything else in here to keep. Okay, oh, we can see one right there. What is this one? From the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games from 2018. So at the moment I'll keep that one put aside. Alright, so let's keep going through this. So 2017. Oh, there's a blackboard. So from the Mr. Squiggle. So that's a keeper. 2015, 2008, 2014. No. Come across that poppy yet. Oh wow, there's a fair few coloured coins coming up on this roll. So we've got another of the Commonwealth Games coins. Pop that one there. There's our poppy from 2012. Alright, we'll keep that one for now. Nothing else there. Alright, just going to pause for a moment. I'll get a roll started. Alright, so we're doing the roll that is hopefully a double bar. 50 cent. So we'll do that one straight away. And it's not. That's fine. Let's grab a few of these. Get through this lot. No double bar on that one. No. We'll do the 20 cent roll next, the one with the 1966, and see if we can find ourselves a Wavy. Nope. Alright, just pause. So I'm just trying to save a bit of time by unwrapping the rolls and getting it ready. No point in watching that. Alright, we're going to do the flip. Here we go, there's a 66. Is it going to be a Wavy? No. I didn't really expect any different, but would have been nice to catch it on film. Not that we use film anymore. It's probably just a little bit worn. Probably won't keep it. No, 1976, 2009, 2015, 2006, 2014, and a 78. Alright, so this is the roll with the 2017, and it's not a Marbo. Fairly high grade 75. Another 2017. Oh, here's a state coin. What do we got? Victoria, my home state. Alright, that's a keeper. Doing alright with the 50 centers today. Poor fella. What was that? 83. What was that? 2013. Oh, another state coin. Oh, Tassie. Awesome. Alright, that's good. Home of Brad from Tassie Adventures, so make sure you check out his channel. Okay. What's going on with this one? I'll put that aside and have a look at that. Most likely post-mint damage, but I'll have a closer look at that. Alright, I think I'm going to skip the 10-cent roll because chance. So let's do a dollar roll, $2 roll, and what was this one? No, let's not do that. Let's do this 2019 roll. Oh, I'm going to pause for a moment. Okay. This video is going on a bit too long, so I don't want it to drag on too much longer. Let's grab that one there out. So this is a coin. So 2019 A coin. So I'm going to keep that fella for now. Let's grab a few. I apologise, I'm going to rush through this a little bit. But hopefully you can still see what we're going through. What's this? 2016, 96, 2010, 84, 08, 2010, 09, 16, another 16, and a third. Alright, pause for a moment. Alright, let's get into this $2 roll here. So I think the ender was this one. Oh. No, it mustn't have been that one. I think it was a 2019 I had on the end. Anyway, maybe I was wrong and read it wrong. One of these ones. No, I'm not sure. It must have been a 2018. I must have read it wrong. Let's zoom in a bit, guys. Alright. $2015. $14, 2017. $2016, 2013. Nice, not a bad looking 88. I'll just keep that aside for now. Quite a nice looking poppy there. That's a keeper. 2012 poppy. Yeah, 2015. And that's all I know. So let's finish off with the state coin ender. And see what else is in this roll. Alright. 78. Any double bar? No. So there's plenty of 2018s in this roll as well. Yep. $2016. No, it doesn't look like there's much else in this roll other than the ender. So that's what is it, New South Wales. So we're doing alright. We found a few there. So I'm just going to clean up for a moment and we'll recap. Okay, guys. So I went through those other two rolls with nothing worth keeping, and I had a look at that error coin, which wasn't an error coin. It's just post mint damage. So yeah, not a bad little hunt for some ender rolls. So I sort of kept them aside for a little while, just in the hope that there'd be something in there. And there's a little bit more in there than what we thought. So 3 of the state coins, 2 Marbos, 1 2019 A coin, 2 gold poppies, and the 3 coloured $2 coins. 2 from the Commonwealth Games 2018, and the blackboard from Mr. Squiggle. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this little hunt, and look forward to putting more videos out there to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.